turkeys, I have an artifact here. This is an 8-track. And what would happen with these 8-tracks is people would pull these out or the machine would mess up and they'd throw it away and be like, oh, my 8-track's ruined. These are on a continuous loop. So all you got to do is grab one side of this and there you go. Now, the little sponges inside of here can wear out, but there's a lot of people on eBay who actually make replacements for these. And there you go. It says 8-track right on the front of it. And there would be your 8 tracks on there. Just, I believe it may be the parent of the modern cassette, but I don't know. It may be more like a cousin to the cassette, because I think the cassette was already available when they made this, but for some reason they thought people wanted this. But it reads pretty much just like a regular cassette. So if you have one hanging out and you think it's messed up or something and it's all like this, just remember, grab one side of it firmly, not too tight, and just goes right back in.